I haven't thrown a frog in a minute. We're back at this pond. That's gonna be cast 1. Cast 8. We didn't sign up for a morning shower. All right, we gotta run. I know it's wet. Sorry, crew. It's a good old rain shower right there. Overcast and no warning. Back at it. Wardrobe change. Got an umbrella this time. All right, we'll get back. Cast 11. All right, we got the dink finder on. Let's find one. Oh, I got it. Oh, I got it. I got it. Cast 20. That's a culvert bass. Say bye, bass. Yeah. Cast 20. Give me a fist bump. Fist bump. Yeah. All right, look at those clouds. We'll get a couple more casts on the way out of here. Look at that snapping turtle. That's a snapping turtle. That's a really cool little spot that flows out of this big cypress head. We came prepared for the rain this time, huh, crew?